Howdy friends and neighbors, Russell here, back again for a video. That's right, a special super duper video. So, don't have anything completed to talk about just this minute, but I do have a couple of things to talk about. So I had a little photo shoot today where I took pictures in the whole outfit. I'm going to be posting those on Facebook, and assuming my computer will turn the pictures into a little slideshow, I'm going to put those on YouTube as well. I think it went pretty good. I still see a few things I need to change on my outfit. And I'm going to over time, and I'll show those differences as they come along. But right now, I feel like, I've done a pretty strong start on the outfit. So I'm going to be releasing a big video sometime in the future where I've started working on a prop gun for my outfit. Now this is going to be futuristic, post-apocalyptic, that's a word, and but it is going to be a prop gun. Okay, I want to make that very clear. Okay, I've already got some pieces right here, which don't look like a gun just yet, but I'll take this apart and I'll show you. Okay, so there's what's going to be the prop barrel for the prop gun. Just a piece of pipe, got a little tip on it right there for a very aggressive breech tip on there. But I want to point out right there in the inside, on both sides, it's sealed up. I closed it up with liquid nails. There's going to be a bolt running directly through this where you can't even, try to load anything into that. It's going to be a prop. Say it with me, people. Prop. Thing that looks like a gun. And right now it doesn't look like anything. But I've got pieces that I'm putting together, and I wanted to go ahead and mention that right now. Don't know when it's going to be. My work schedule is kind of crazy. My crafting time is being cut down pretty soon, and it may be a good while, but you work as you work. So I want everybody to have a good Tuesday. It's a Tuesday, and I hope everyone's doing well out there in the big wide world, and y'all have a good. Russell here, signing out.